Salut les amis, Bienvenue sur Master French with Vidyansshu. In the previous lectures, we have done the conjugation of the ER ending verbs in affirmation and in negation. We have already done the conjugation of some of the other verbs such as etre, alek, avak, fak, and vulvak. Today we are going to learn about the conjugation of the GER ending verbs such as manger, which means to eat. It is pronounced as manger. The rules for conjugating these verbs is same as the er ending verbs. We have to follow the 5 steps. Tu mange, es in tu form, il, elle, on mange. The only difference is in this nu form. Here we used to write it as ons. Just add ons over here. However, this is wrong in the GER ending verb because we have to add E over here and then add ONS. So basically in the GER ending verb we are adding EONS in nu form. Then vous mangez, same as the ER ending verbs and no change in the LL form, same. So the pronunciations are mange. Here also pronunciation is LL mange. The pronunciation of this one is mangeons and manger. I eat, je mange. You eat, tu manges. Il, elle, on eat. That means he or she eats or is eating. Then if we have to say it in informal way, we will use on mange. That means we are eating. In formal way, we will say nous mangeons. We are eating or we eat. Vous mangez, you are eating or you eat in formal way. And the last one is they are eating. In negation, we conjugate it as je ne mange pas, tu ne manges pas, il, elle, on ne mange pas, nous ne. Again EONS will be added. Nous ne mangeons pas, vous ne mangez pas, and il, elle ne mange pas. Je ne mange pas, tu ne manges pas, il, elle, on ne mange pas, nous ne mangeons pas, vous ne mangez pas, il, elle ne mange pas. I do not eat or I am not eating. You do not eat or you are not eating. He or she does not eat or is not eating. When we say on in informal way, we say on ne mange pas. That means we are not eating. In formal way, we use nous. That is we are not eating. Here we do not eat. And then for vous, in formal way, you are not eating, and the last one is they are not eating. I take up another verb. The second one is voyager. This means to travel. voyager. Je voyage. Tu voyages. Il, elle, on voyage. In nous form. Nous ne. Sorry. This is an affirmation. So nous voyageons. Vous voyagez. And il, elle voyage. Je voyage. Tu voyages. Il, elle, on voyage. Pronunciation for all of this is voyage. Same pronunciation here also. Voyage. In these two, the pronunciation is voyageons, voyager. I travel or I am traveling. You travel or you are traveling. Il, on, il, elle, on. He or she is traveling or travels. For on, again an informal way. We are traveling. For nous voyageons. We are traveling in formal way. Vous voyagez. You are traveling in formal way. And then they are traveling. In negation, it is conjugated as je ne voyage pas. Tu ne voyages pas. Il, elle, on ne voyage pas. Nous ne. Again, EONS will be added. Voyageons pas. Vous ne voyagez pas. Il, elle ne voyage pas. I am not traveling. You are not traveling. He or she does not travel or is not traveling. We are not traveling. Again, formal way. We are not traveling or we don't travel. You are not traveling and they are not traveling. So this is how we conjugate the GER ending verbs in the affirmation and negation. Now I am going to give you a few sentences for the purpose of understanding the usage of these verbs and sentences and their formation. So the first one is je ne mange pas de pomme. Second one is elle mange un gâteau. The third one is nous ne mangeons pas de sucre. Fourth one, nous voyageons la semaine prochaine. Nous voyageons la semaine prochaine. Elle voyage à Paris. The last sentence is vous ne voyagez pas après demain. These are the 6 sentences. First one is Je ne mange pas de pomme. This is pronounced as pomme. This means apples. I do not eat apples. Il mange un gâteau. Gâteau means a cake. He is eating a cake or he eats a cake. The next one is Nous ne mangeons pas de sucre. We do not eat sugar. This is pronounced as sucre, which means sugar. Fourth one, Nous voyageons la semaine prochaine. We have already done la semaine, that means week prochaine. Prochaine means next. So the sentence is Nous voyageons la semaine prochaine. We are traveling the next week. Fifth one, Elle voyage à Paris, which means they are traveling to Paris. Sixth, Vous ne voyagez pas après demain. Liaison rule. So this will be pronounced as Zapre, which means after, and this is pronounced as Dama, which means tomorrow. You are traveling after tomorrow. I'm sharing a list of 3-4 verbs. The first one is changer, which means to change. Second one is, these are all GER ending verbs. Nager, which means to swim. And the last one is, third one, diriger, which means to manage or direct. So we have done the conjugations of the GER ending verbs in affirmation and negation. Kindly practice all these 3 verbs in affirmation and negation for the purpose of better understanding of the change that is in the new form. Like this will be nous changeons. E will be added over here along with ONS. Similarly, nous nageons, and the last one, nous dirigeons. This is going to be the conjugation with the new form of these 3 verbs. Please practice so that you can get into the flow of conjugations. And these are the sentences which I wanted to share for making you understand how these sentences will be formed along with the vocabulary. And this is all for today. Kindly like the video if you found it helpful, and please share it with your friends. Do subscribe to my channel Master French with Vidyansshu, and we will be doing the conjugation of the YER ending verbs in the next video. Please press the bell icon so that you can get all the updates on time. A très bientôt.